So everyone's doing garden videos, and I wasn't going to do one this year, but what the hell, they popped up. So I have a lot of beans here. You're getting their tentacles. Starting to creepy crawl. Radishes. I forget what the rest is. I don't know, cucumbers or something like that. What I'm going to do... Ooh, watch Nessa take a pee. I'm going to take them out of the box tomorrow and just put them there, fence them in, make a little plot right there, and yeah, that's it. See how they do. And I got a bunch more stuff up on my deck. So anyways, that's my garden video. I'll do little updates, I guess. Oh, Lulu. What you got, baby? Here. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Here, take that off. Let's do it, baby. Too tired, baby?